Nagising ako guys dahil si Sawyer ay sobrang init, 101 yung kanyang temperatures. Lagyan ko siya ng ice. Ayan Kawawa si Busing, may lagnat at may ubo. Ayan siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng ice sa noo para bumaba yung kanyang temperature na 101. So, ayan. Kawawa si Bossing. Yeah. You're going to sleep upstairs now?
I'm
Yeah.
gonna play my iPad.
Play your iPad?
Yeah.
No, because you're sick. You're gonna get tired.
Not sick, but
You're not sick anymore. Pag iPad you, I'm not sick anymore. Tingnan yung buhok ko ay kagigising ko lang kasi kaya ganito yan. Kaya ganyan yan kasi kagigising ko. Oh, sorry.
still.
Okay, let's go. So, babalik na kami sa taas. Higa kami.
Why you
So
always
we're
want
waiting.
lollipop? Why?
For the doctor.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know.
Why do you want lollipop?
Daddy loves you.
Because I love my pop.
Are you hungry?
Me? Oh yeah, I'm hungry. I
So where are we
haven't
gonna
eaten
eat?
breakfast.
Are you gonna eat? You want breakfast? Or you want lunch?
No, I
That's
don't.
love.
It's odd if, when Samantha is not here with us.
Well, it's what odd. That's what they said yesterday. It's like it's odd when we're out and mommy's not with us.
Because I was in my what's it called? Part-time job.
Mm.
Is that love?
Ayan, si Sawyer.
And it checks your blood pressure.
I'm glad wala siyang lagnat ngayon. Kaya talaga grabe.
eat?
I don't really know. Dennis sounds good. How about you, So?
I'm hungry too.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
You think you can eat?
Me and mommy want to eat. You're so cute.
Brother said you're so cute.
You brush your teeth.
Or can't we try some we've not tried before?
You did not?
I just don't turn it off.
I was surprised you used that shirt. It's almost small at you.
You know how much these are? Joe! Joe? How much are these strawberry here?
Fresh. Are they sweet?
A half red is 22. This is
Oh.
a half red. This is, I believe this is a half red. This is a fred right here. Oh, I see. Yeah, this is a fred and a half.
There's no taste this one. Wow. Looks good.
We need to find out.
Onion, apple, lemon. So we got the strawberry, a popcorn. Is this ours?
Yeah, I already bought that. That's ours.
A milk. I bet this. Oh, it's heavy. Is it good, Sawyer? This is the farmers market here, guys. Huh?
No, I'm just talking to myself.
What did you get, Schultz? Come on,
You want to carry the already paid for it?
let's go.
Yes, you're going to carry that. Mommy's got the milk.
I got the milk.
Joey.
Thank you. Let's go. Here.
Stay right there with the cars. People driving way too fast over here.
Yep. Come on, son. Here.
The biscuits look
Is the popcorn is good? Huh? Is the popcorn is good? Yeah? What is a bubble gum?
they're like some weird sour candy. So you have pomegranate, green apple. Is there white in here? I wanted that too.
Okay, share that to Sisi. Go inside.
I wanted that
Okay.
too. I'll share this with you, baby.
Go inside.
I like the one.
Get in. Shelton, help him, Shelton. Later the... Watch.
Very careful here.
Careful. Oy.
Mom.
I almost. Sorry. What did you say?
It's from 29 miles to 37 miles.
When is that one?
That's right. I think tomorrow's Sunday. It's at 12:40
PM?
after lunch. Yeah.
Tomorrow is... Popcorn is good.
Can you see?
Buckle him up, Shelton.
I'm favorite.
Do you like the popcorn? No more candy, ha?
That's a book.
Oh, okay. Kala ko. You want water? Here. Put your water here. Nung galing kami sa doktor, sabi ng doktor, parang ano daw siya, influence siya. Parang normal lang daw. So, binigyan lang daw ng Tylenol at saka ibuprofen. Ang sarap ng popcorn. Super good. Tapos na kami dito guys sa Farmers Market. Tapos na ako magluto guys ng mushroom. Ayan. Yan yung mushroom. Tapos corn. Yan. Nilagyan ko siya ng butter guys. Salted butter. Ayan. Yan. At ang asparagus ay hindi pa luto. O yan. Nasa oven pa guys. Pero luto na yung sweet potato. Ayan. Luto na. Isusunod ko yung steak guys. Sa labas. Ayan yung steak. Kasi mamaya magpa-part-time job ako. Pag dumating na si Sam, magpa-part-time job ako. Tapos, kailangan kong matapos. Huy! Magtupi ng ng mga labahan ko kahapon. So, kailangan kong tupiin. Huy, oh. What are you doing there? Agoy. Ano ba yan? Dili, come out!
I can't.
Sabi ni si Busing, uy. May ubo pa si Sawyer. Aray ko. At kunting sipon. I have to close this. Watch out your hand. Pinainit ko pa yung grill. Maaga ako nagluto guys. Para mamaya wala na akong iisipin pa kung anong lulutuin ko. At least yung kanilang hapunan ay ready na. pagdating nila. Si Sam kasi ay uuwi ng 2 o'clock at 2:30. Si Shelton ay 3:30 ang uwi niya. Tapos andito na siya mga 3:45. Si asawa is andito na mga 4:30. So maaga sila. So mamaya pagdating ni Samantha, maasahan naman si Sam sa pagbibisit kay Sawyer. Siya ang magbibisit tapos ako magpa-part-time ako. Uuwi kasi si asawa ng maaga. So okay lang. Ayan, luto na ang asparagus, baked asparagus. Luto na siya. So pupunta tayo sa labas, mag-grill tayo ng steak. Manipis lang. So guys, tapos na ako magluto. Ito na. Ayan yung steak. Yan. Ano siya guys pagkaluto? Medium well. Kasi ayaw niya asawa yung tawag ito, yung lutong-luto talaga. So kailangan medium well. Yan. So, ayan siya guys. So, kompleto na tayo ng ulam sa hapunan. So, ito yung steak. May asparagus, baked asparagus. Mayroong baked sweet potato. Tapos, mayroong mushroom. At mayroong corn. So, okay na yung aming dinner. Mamaya kakain na lang sila pagdating nila.